Are you ready to join the marketing revolution for local businesses nationwide? I'm your host, Alex, and I am here to guide you through the exciting world of geofencing with Disruptive Edge Digital, your dedicated partner for geofencing, programmatic display, and CTV. There are only three ways to get leads. First, go to them, either in person, online, by mail, by email, by ad, or by text. Number two, develop a lead magnet that draws them to you and begins putting them through your funnel system. Or three, elevate yourself to a point of visibility and trust so that they come to you. How excited would you be to learn there is a way to leverage all three in one marketing strategy? The revolution is here. You know that in today's world, consumers have busy lives that leave little time for them to research the difference between providers of the products or services they want. So if you want them to pick you, they must see you. How you are visible, where you are visible, and how frequently you are visible will all determine whether you're the one chosen to help them or if they choose your competitor. This is where Disruptive Edge Digital provides a winning strategy that enables you to crush your competition and dominate your industry by leveraging all three lead controls and harnessing the power of how, where, and how frequently you are visible. So let's dive into the game-changing world of geofencing, an advanced marketing strategy designed to put your message directly in front of the right customers. If you want to drive more foot traffic into your business, increase online conversions, improve engagement, and maximize your marketing budget, then you're in the right place. Geofencing in its many forms is all about delivering your message to the perfect customer, the one ready to spend money with you. Why does this matter? Because it boosts conversion rates, increases customer loyalty, and improves overall profits. It's marketing that works smarter, not harder. So how do we make this happen? It's simple. We set up geofences around key locations, including your business, your competitors, and places where your ideal customers spend time. Then we deliver irresistible offers straight to their mobile devices. And the best part? You can track exactly how many customers visit your business as a result. We serve a variety of industries, including auto repair, body shops, motorcycle repair, bars, restaurants, breweries, spas, auto sales, resorts, businesses with showrooms, and salons. Our services are tailored to meet the unique needs of each industry. Our approach starts with data. We use location, demographic, and behavioral data to enable highly localized planning, execution, and attribution for our audience targeting solutions. We employ various targeting strategies such as frequency, demographic, IP search, behavioral, geographic, site retargeting, and content targeting to acquire customers effectively. Geofencing strategies include everything from geofencing and addressable geofencing to event geofencing, search geofencing, and even connected television. Each strategy has its best use cases and attributes. Geofencing works when a prospective customer enters a geofence location. Their mobile device ID is captured, and ads are displayed to that ideal customer when that user opens their browser or an app on their mobile device. Even more impressive is that the ads are displayed on over 600,000 apps and websites. The user begins seeing ads from the point they entered the geofenced area, and the ads can be seen on mobile, desktop, and tablet devices for up to 30 days after leaving the location. We offer different ad sizes to fit various platforms and needs, ensuring your target audience sees your message. Here are examples of ad placements on popular websites and apps showcasing how your ads can reach a wide audience effectively. In this case study of a current auto repair shop client, our foot traffic report shows 48 new customers, 18 return customers, and 66 total customers in 1 month, demonstrating the effectiveness of our strategies. We also show which zip codes, cities, and competitor locations provided the most customers to our client for the month. This ensures that resources are allocated to maximize results. Now, let's talk about the return on investment for that auto repair business. In 1 month, our geofencing resulted in 48 new customers, 18 return customers, and a total profit of $51,330.72, achieving an ROI of 4,277.56%. I can't think of another place to invest your money and get that kind of return along with a solution with this kind of provable results. Now that you are ready to join the marketing revolution and start crushing your competition, schedule your free strategy session today at www.geosteve.com or call us to get started now.